Hi everyone, welcome here. Myself Shekhar Metla, and today I'm going to share you about generative AI for Java web developers. So this is a very amazing and interesting video for you to sharing who wants to start learning generative AI skills to improving and adding their professional career to grow like a switching like a 10x 5x speed the trending how the software industry is moving. I hope it will help you who are already inside the Java development or professional development, who wants to start career in Java development. So this is the best advantage to learning. Software industry who are working or software industry who are starting the journey, they want to add skills. A day-to-day upcoming more trending technologies are coming, and they want to improve their skills by adding and by learning such a AI skills nowadays along with the Java implementations. So learning Java updates, programming techniques, and how super easily create source code for your requirement of business logic. It's not that much of typical today. It's all about finding an information, finding a problem solving techniques are very easy using such a generative AI tools and techniques. For example, I will say, if you are learning how to start and learning with like a ChatGPT, like a open AI techniques, those are very interestingly, we can assume that how prompting you will do, how prompting you make and crafting to finding and getting a solutions are essential for everyone who wants to grow themselves, who wants to improve themselves. Yes, so start with ChatGPT and ensure basic foundation you have to be strong how this functionality will works, how to take a source code using AI tool, how prompting will help you to make you like a making like a real world problem solutions very easily. These all are very essential for nowadays. Ensure to start learning Java web development or Java core development or advanced development using generative AI skills to start learning and applying are essential to take you to the next level. Yes, where your knowledge and where your thoughts are making by writing a source code very easy. If you want to make sure to learning and applying this Java development skills for your program. We are also like sharing a real world practical oriented course, online course. If you are interested, find the below description link. We'll share you the links. Start your generative AI learning journey. Thank you.